Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with the Kershaw Atmos for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started on this little guy. We're gonna need a T6 Torx bit screw to take down this bad boy. Let's start from this end here. So you have two screws. They are going to come off with that tab, and then another one here, which is spinning, even if it's keyed in. Okay, and let's see, and then just this is gonna go there, and then I think this is gonna be a T8 Torx bit for the pivot, which which can come out pretty easily, like so. And let's see, just a little wiggle. Yeah, pretty much this guy comes apart nice and easy, no big deal. We're gonna use some alcohol to remove the greasiness that it's around this blade. So we're gonna do a nice job in cleaning this guy out. G10 scale, there's some stainless steel washers there, and G10 spacer. There's a lot of grease over here, so pivot is falling out. There's a washer there. Okay, that was dirty. Okay, so that is done, and that's the pivot, and it's done as well. Let's clean up the G10 backspacer. Nicely done, I have to say. Very little guy, inexpensive knife. I think this is in the $30 range. You guys wanted me to review some cheaper stuff, and there you have it. So I'm bringing you some cheaper stuff. I thought this was a nice one to review because I tried it. It's relatively inexpensive, especially for the overall action. So and feel, it's a Sienkiewicz design, so it's a nice one. Let me see. Okay, let's start from this guy. We're gonna try to keep this. This is keyed in because I wanted to use this here in the front. We might be able to do so, right? Yeah, so let's just do it. We're gonna start from the back, actually from the front, like so, because I like this more on this side. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to do that. Probably not. Let's just stick it with this. And then you have your bearings in it, and then you have, washer and bearings. And then this side is gonna be like so. Oh, nice, you also have keyed in screws, as you can see right here. They go keyed in only in the backspacer, so that's interesting. That's your stop pin right over there. We're gonna use a little bit of 10 weight nano oil for that bearing. And then blade is in place, and then we're gonna use, of course, the second bearing also there. Another bit of nano oil, and your washer just right on top. Okay, so that is done. And then we have to make sure that what are we missing? Nothing. So that is gonna go after. So just make sure that the pivot, the stop pin is aligned with the scale, okay? And here, just we need to pull the backspacer up a little bit and make sure that this is going down with the flat area towards you, like so, all right? So this is gonna be in place. And then here we can actually take advantage of the situation and just tighten down the pivot a little bit so nothing should be moving. and we can start to take care of the back with another bit, which is the T6. Remember to close the alcohol because it's gonna evaporate, and then you can use the tab and that screw back there, as well as this second screw right over here. Okay, we're gonna tighten properly in a second, and then this guy like so. So we're gonna check this one, this one. Let's also check the pocket clip screws. Nice deep carry clip that's tightened up, and this is also done. Let's see how did we do with the, oh, it's snappy, and looks good, but you know what, let's just use a little bit of extra heavyweight nano oil. This is 85, just for the detent. Oh yeah, very nice and snappy. That's very good, guys. Blade perfectly centered. Blade play, none. Actually, now I like it a lot more. It's ready to be reviewed because I want to give them, you know, a best. They're getting them in the best shape before getting reviewed. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.